If you own a ring stick-up cam or spotlight cam battery, you know the hassle of constantly recharging or swapping batteries. But with the OLAIKE Solar Panel, you can say goodbye to that routine forever. This high-efficiency solar charger keeps your camera powered continuously, so you never miss a moment. The panel uses monocrystalline silicon cells that are highly efficient and weatherproof. Rain, snow, dust, or extreme temperatures won't affect its performance. It's built to last outdoors, with an IP65 waterproof rating that ensures reliable charging year-round. Installation is a breeze. The 12-foot power cable gives you plenty of flexibility to mount the solar panel in the sunniest spot while keeping your camera exactly where you need it. Simply connect the cable to your Ring camera, secure the panel with the included mount, and you're done. No wiring or professional help required. Charging efficiency is impressive. The optimized panel area captures more sunlight, delivering up to 5-volt 3.5-watt output. This means even on cloudy days, your camera stays topped off. Plus, the adjustable mount tilts up to 120 degrees, so you can angle the panel for maximum sun exposure throughout the day. One of the best features is its compatibility. It works perfectly with Ring stick-up cam battery and Ring spotlight cam battery. No need for third-party adapters or modifications. Just plug it in and enjoy endless power. But does it really work? In my testing, with just a few hours of direct sunlight, the battery remained fully charged even with active motion recording. On overcast days, the charge decreased slightly but kept the camera operational. For homes with limited sun, the long cable allows you to place the panel in a better spot. Overall, the OLAIKE Solar Panel is a smart investment for any Ring camera user. It's affordable, durable, and reduces e-waste from disposable batteries. Plus, it's backed by a brand known for reliable solar products. If you're tired of battery changes, grab this solar panel. It's the ultimate accessory for your Ring camera, making it truly wireless and maintenance-free. Click the link in the description to get yours today.